multiplying by 20, 300, 4,000, etc. Basically multiplying by a number that has one digit and then a number of zeros afterwards. Pause the video and maybe write down how you would multiply by these numbers. So to multiply by numbers like that, take for example 400. Multiplying by 400 is the same as multiplying by 4 and then multiplying by 100, because 4 times 100 equals 400. So we can use that approach in these examples. Maybe pause the video now and try example 3 and example 4. In example 3, if we're going to times by 30, we can do 12 times 3, which is 36. And then take a new line and then do 36 times 10, which is 360. So we've multiplied by 3 and multiplied by 10, which is equivalent to multiplying by 30. Example 4. Find 23 multiplied by 400. To do this, we multiply 23 by 4 first, and then multiply by 100. So 23 times by 4. 4 3s are 12. Put 1 over. And then 4 2s are 8, plus the 1 is 9. So 23 times 4 is 92. And then we've got the 92, and we multiply that by 100, which gives 9,200.